Hello crafty friends, I come to you today with some things that we made a little while ago, well not that long ago. It's the what's in my drawers, and look at all this, look at it all, there's loads. So let's go through it, see what we've got, most of which I can't actually remember making, so it'll be a voyage of discovery for all of us. Right, okay, what do we have here? A little bifold, little envelope. Oh, they're nice, aren't they? And what's this one? Oh, another one with another little envelope with a... So that's that. I'm going to just romp through them. You know, if you were interested, you saw me make them, I'm sure. Be grateful. Inspire kindness. Daydreams. That one's got pearls on. Happy heart. These little trifold booklets that I did that are great just to shove into a pocket. And lots of journaling. But they're just so pretty, aren't they? You know, just a pretty little thing to shove in a pocket. And we've got another one of those. And another one of those. And another one of those. Oh my goodness, we've got loads. Oh, this is slightly different. This has got pockets inside with little tags. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. Really, really pretty. And it says beautiful day. Actually, today here it is a beautiful day. Really nice. This one has just got, yeah, this has got pockets and little tags in as well. It says beautiful day. Of course, if you get it and you want to ink around it, that's fine. I didn't. I really like that clean look of it, which is unusual for me. And then we've got these journaling cards. I've cut out the borders with my punch. It goes that way. So the journaling cards. That's a journaling card. That's pretty, isn't it? Ribbon. Yeah, I like that. This journaling card. Journaling card with doilies on. This one is a pocket. Ooh, nice. Look at that. That's lovely. Very nice. And we've got another one here that's the same but different. Oh, I see. Does that one open up as well? Yeah, look at that. It opens up. So you've got all that journaling and then a journal card. Wow. Had my thinking cap on that day. So this one is a similar sort of thing. Bird sitting on the nest of eggs. Little blue tit down there. Yay for the blue tit. And that just fits into there. It does fit into that. There we are. And then we've got the journaling there, and on the back. Really thin little thing to pop into a pocket and loads of journaling. This journaling card, it's been sewn around that one. These two little things to pop into a pocket. They're just a sticker on card, but aren't they effective? This, which is a little library pocket. Very nice, very nice. Another library pocket there, made of an envelope, made from an envelope I should say. This one that looks like, yeah, it's like the other ones, but this one comes down like that. Butterflies, I've got a bit of, the glue that's sparkly. I can't remember what you call it now. It's stickles. Thank you, Mr. F. Yeah, it's paying attention. So that's pretty. These ones that go, you get sewn into the spine of your book. So that it's an envelope, but it's pocket there. And it's pocket on this side here. And then that's what's in the middle. And that, I think, is just exceedingly pretty. I love the colour of those blue butterflies and these stickers. And I think we've got another one of those. Yeah, this one. So just get sewn into your journal there. This one's got pockets here and pockets here. Bit of lace, glittery butterfly. I don't know how many pieces we've got here. There's quite a lot. This is a little envelope. There we go. Stuff anything you like in there. And a little tag there in a little pocket. Oh, another one of these that escaped earlier. This is more autumny, isn't it? It's nice. Yeah. So all these things are made with what's in my drawers, and I tell you, I've still got loads of stuff in my drawers. Yeah, this, I seem to remember I quite like this. Just opens up like that, and it's kind of a tri-fold. You've got a pocket at the top here with a card in. You've got a belly band here with a journaling card, and a corner pocket, corner tuck it is actually, with another card in. And that just folds up like that, and then it ties. And you guys all know I cannot tie bows to save my life, especially when I'm being filmed. So, you know, it ties into a bow there, let me just say that. This is the one that's very similar, I think. I don't remember making half of these, if I'm honest with you, but I think this one's quite similar. Oh no, it's a notebook. Oh, look at that. That's snazzy, isn't it? Yeah, nice notebook there. And then here we've got a pocket with a little card in it. So yeah, and once again, that ties into a nice little bow. And find a bit on the back. There we go. Ties into a bow there, and it's not difficult to get in or out of. This one I think might be the same sort of idea. Oh, I'm going to have fun tying all these bows up. Oh, it's a notebook. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Plenty of pages in there as well. That's good. And then a little journaling card in that little pocket there. And that folds like that. That comes along behind. So there you go. You know, it's a freestanding thing that you could stick onto a page if you wanted to, or just pop it into a pocket because the back's decorated. And this one I think is a similar sort of scheme. Just unties there, that folds up. Yeah, this is one of the tri-folds. Got a little journaling card there, a belly band there, and this little tuck pocket at the bottom. And it just goes like that, and then you just tie it up. So that's it. I don't know how many pieces there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, goodness, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 pieces of ephemera. So I'll list that on Etsy, and you'll be able to have another look at this video, and should you wish to purchase it, it'll be on its way to you. So there we are, that's that. I hope you enjoyed having a look through what we made with what was in my drawers. I remember we had fun making them, so that's that. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.